Hi, I'm Kristin, and I am with Arts for Learning, and one of my favorite lessons I get to share is our math and mandalas lesson. And what this focuses on is not just math, but also a little bit of science and a little bit of art as well. It also uses steady beat, which is consistent with our heartbeat. So the little song that we learn gets stuck in our heads forever. The song that I like to teach when we're learning about radial symmetry, or the concept of radial symmetry, which is ever present in mandalas, is radial circle symmetry same. So I have our student artists not point their fingers at 90 degrees, but a 45-degree angle. And they draw a circle with their pointer finger and they say, radial circle, radial circle. And then I have them clap their hands together and say symmetry same. When you put it together, you have radial circle symmetry same. So we initiate a little bit of steady beat, a little bit of math, and now we're going to make the art with the math. I like to choose a nice center, and I have just some nice gems. And when I'm creating radial symmetry, the same pattern goes all the way around, starting at the center. So if I put a gem right there, in order to have radial symmetry, I'm going to have to put one right there. If I put one here, I also have to put one here. Now, mandalas can also be used to teach things like science and the seasons and math and fractions. There are so many ways that you can use this information to apply to your current curriculum. And I keep making my mandala. I'm going to put two gems up top here, and for radial circle symmetry same, I'm going to put two gems down here. Two gems here, and two gems here. Now, one of my favorite things to work with are the palms. Creating mandalas with the palms, you can do a rainbow palm, you could do a gradient palm, and you can also learn the primary colors by using the palms. So just another way that you can translate the mandala information, the radial circle symmetry same, into your classroom. Now this is exciting. Doesn't look like much, but once I start to open up, I put one across from itself for radial circle symmetry same. And what I'm starting to do is to create a flower. Now these are just cut up toilet paper rolls. And now they're a flower. So some of the other mandalas that we experience daily life, some houses of worship have mandalas. If we cut a kiwi in half, it will fold on itself. It has radial symmetry. So does an orange. If you look outside, a lot of the flowers and flora that we experience also inhibits radial symmetry. So a succulent, if you close your eyes and think of a sunflower, it also has radial symmetry. Sometimes I like to use nature elements in our mandalas, and I also encourage our student artists to make mandalas in nature with found objects. You can make mandalas with just about anything. So you don't require much to learn a whole lot from math and mandalas.